I'm a youth worker to inspire other young people. I want to be able to give all young people the opportunities to succeed and to thrive, and to enable them to push themselves further and give them that support and the safety to do it, because when I was young I didn't have that support network.
I nominated Carly for the award because she's a wonderful youth worker. She's been described as life-changing in terms of what her work has meant to people. The young people care so much about her.
I think Carly deserves an award because of the way she is with everyone, and she's just very understanding and has helped a lot of people come so far in life, and I just really hope she wins.
Carly is a lovely and thoughtful person, and she's helped me gain confidence to try stuff like sports and football, to talk to people new, and she's just generally a fun character. She's funny, she's overall a great person to talk to, and she's helped me come a long way.